Alright guys, Digologist with you. I got Doug Money here and Dime Detectives up in the woods. We're in a new patch of woods we're going to try out. Had a little bit of success here. What'd you find?
I found a two-piece navy eagle button and a flat button.
Alright, that's a good start. And I was just coming along the bank here and I got this out of the ground. This is some kind of hasp for some kind of trunk or something. But that's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep it, even though it's iron. All right, let's keep on going.
Peace.
All right, Doug Money is on what?
A bale seal.
All right.
It's got some writing right here. Probably says something like pounds and weight, and you can see where the wire went through it on this side. Still drying out, but it dries out really well that you can really read the writing.
Yeah, that's a cool piece of history to find. We've got bunches of them.
Yep.
All right, let's keep on going. All right, we got a 32 on the legend. Gonna dig that right here. Hopefully not hit it. I'm gonna kind of scrape away at this. Uh-oh, I see it already. Yep, that's a shaft to an arrow. Let's keep on going. Second find. It looks like it's made of aluminum. Might be an old button, but it's not real old. All right, guys, I got a 45 to 50 on the legend, and this popped up. I know y'all can tell what that is. You can see the edge of it there. Look at there. That's an old pocket knife. It's been in the ground for some time. I'll try to break this off of it, see if I can clean it up when I get home. That's a cool find.
Good job, John.
All right. Oh, I see it already. Yep. That's a shaft to an arrow. Let's keep on going. Well, it's swinging close by that last piece of arrow, and I got the same numbers and unfortunately another piece of arrow. So we'll keep on going. Me and my arrow. Yeah, that was a car commercial. That car sucked. Okay, we're going to take a short recess. Cookie break. You know, sometimes you find a new spot and you go there, you got high hopes. Find a couple relics and then nothing. So you move on. Hey guys, I'm out in some woods where we've hunted quite a bit, but I wanted to get some more detecting in while I got a little bit of free time. And it's pretty thick here, but the foliage inside this area is low enough to where I can swing. All I gotta do is look out for spider webs. So let's see if we can pull some more relics out of here. Alright, I got a bouncy signal here, took some dirt out, and legend shot up to a 45. It's down in here. Let's see what it is. Hopefully it's not trash. But oh, it's in the hand. What could it be? What is that? Look at that. What do we got here? I'll tell you what it looks like. It looks like a two-piece button. Oh my goodness. Let me clean this up a little bit here. Well, it's not a button. It's heavy, like lead, and I can make out a number on it. Looks like a 6. I believe that might be a bale seal or something right there. That's pretty cool. Let's keep on going. Well, this was a tough one to get to. It was bouncing all around, all the way up to 50. Turns out to be what looks to be another bale seal. I know there's some good stuff in here, so we're gonna keep on going. All right, got a target here. It was 27 to 31. I thought I'd dig it anyway. Hope it's not a shotgun shell. Uh-oh, might be another. No. Let's see, what is it? Well, Looks like we got ourselves, it looks to be modern bullet, kind of smushed. All right. Getting a 26 on the legend here. I don't expect it to be much, but you never know. Yep, as I suspected, just a head stamp. I got a signal here. It was 37 to 38 and got some dirt out and it went to 45, and I pulled this out of the hole. This is a bird band. Most of the time they're made out of aluminum, they're light. They got a number on them. There's actually a website you can go to and look up this number and see what kind of bird this bird band came off of. So I'll probably do that. Alright, got a 38 to 41. It's over here somewhere in this hole, I mean in this pile. Looks like a coin, probably a penny, probably just something a hunter dropped. Let's check it out. See if I can get an ID on this. Let's see, what do we have here? Do we have a weedy? Put some light on the subject. Well, it looks like, yeah, I think I see Abe. Let me clean it up and get back to you. Well, I was wrong. It wasn't an Abe, it was an Indian. I just pulled a 1887 IHP out of the ground. It's kind of worn, but I'll take it. All right. Well, I didn't have a lot for you guys this week, so here's some nature from my vacation. Hope you enjoy it. And stick around for Joe Blessed. He's a really cool guy. This is the back side of the window at Window Falls.